I first saw him at the corner of Hanover Street. His coat heavy with the smell of wet earth, wooden crate by his feet, lined with jars, each one holding a different shade of grape. He told me, "This one's from your birthday 17 years ago." The lid was cold, the water inside moved like a memory that had forgotten itself. I asked him if it was real. He smiled without teeth, looked past me and named the exact hour. My father taught me how to ride a bike. He said the rain keeps a diary of every face it has fallen on, that you can drink it to remember, or pour it into the ground to let the past grow roots. He said the rain keeps a diary of every face it has fallen on, that you can drink it to remember, or pour it into the ground to let the past grow roots. I bought the smallest jar. He wrapped it in newspaper, dated 5 years from now. And when I opened it, the street around me smelled like my grandmother's kitchen. I turned to thank him, but the corner was empty, only the crate remained, and inside it, a jar labeled with my name, waiting for a rain I haven't lived in. At the kitchen table, I placed the jar between two candles. It fogged up as if it were breathing, and in that mist, I saw my mother hanging sheets in IWM. The next morning, the jar was half empty. No one had touched it. A wet trail led from the table to the open window. The next morning, the jar was half empty. No one had touched it. A wet trail led from the table to the open window. For where the weather I leaned out to see the street below, but it wasn't my street anymore. It was the corner of Hanover, and there he was, waiting for someone else to buy back their weather.